Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Keeper Tax for receipt capture and deductions easy tutorial step by step clearly. In the address bar, type in the Keeper Tax website URL. Once the page loads, locate the Get Started button on the home page. Click on the Get Started button to proceed. You will be directed to a registration page. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password and enter it in the password field. Next, confirm your password by typing it again in the confirmation box. After filling in your details, read through the terms of service and privacy policy. Once you're comfortable with the terms, check the box to agree. Then, click on the Sign Up button to create your account. You may receive a confirmation email from Keeper Tax. Open your email inbox and find the confirmation email. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Keeper Tax website. Log in using your registered email address and password. Now, navigate to the subscription options available. Choose a subscription plan that fits your needs. Click on the selected plan to proceed with payment. Enter your payment information in the required fields. Review your order summary before finalizing the purchase. You will receive a confirmation of your subscription shortly. Explore the features of Keeper Tax to make the most of your subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.